Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks. We're so happy you're here. This is Zena poking her head up. Wyatt's over here. He's on bug patrol, so you hopefully will see him at some point during this video. I'm Laura. If you're new to my channel, hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out with us. We do unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, what I wore videos, lots of good stuff. For today, I have a super fun, Habitation Box unboxing for you. Check this box out. This is a monthly home decor, high-end decor subscription box. I love this. The inspiration behind this box is a one-woman show. Her name is Kelly. She is an interior decorator by profession, and she puts together these amazing curations each and every month. And this gives you such amazing home decor inspiration that I have no doubt you won't love this subscription. All right, let's dig into this box. This one is July's box. Kelly offers two different options. So Habitation Box has two different subscriptions that you can get. You can choose to get their regular Habitation Box, which is 4 to 6 items. If you pay on the monthly basis, it's $79.99, and then you can choose 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and the price goes down. If you choose the 12-month option all at once, it goes to $66.99 cost per month. She also has the Habitation Elite Box, which is 7 to 9 items every single month, and then that is $130 a month, and then that goes down based on the option that you choose. So again, if you choose 3 months, it would be $120, 6 months, $113, 12 months, $105. I do have a discount code for you. Don't worry. If you choose to get this subscription and you use my code, which is littleboxo 10, all caps, and I will put the information down below, you would get 10% off your first box. All right, here's what I see when I open up my box. Her site also offers all kinds of fun ideas. So don't worry, if you get these items and you're not sure how to decorate, which a lot of times is me, I need help. There's all kinds of inspiration and ideas that she will share with you. All right, let me dig in here and see all the fun pieces. First up, let's see what this is. I see this right on top. Oh, this is pretty. I love this. So this is a little picture. Has a nice little stand here that comes out, collapses, or pulls out there, and it says, "Our Happy Home." Is that not gorgeous? I love the size of it. Perfect for a desk, perfect for your bedroom, perfect for a kitchen, perfect for a bathroom. It's just such a nice size. It would fit anywhere. Dining room, love it. Next, Zena's now switching sides on me. Where are you going, baby? Oh, this is pretty. This is a little vase. Check that out. It's in a dark blue. That is beautiful. Has the little, I love the extra detail. There's always the extras that come with all the pieces in Habitation Box. So these have the extra little foam stoppers. Make sure not to scratch your surfaces. All right, what else have we got? Oh, look at this. Nice little Keepsake Container. Look how pretty this is. I love this. Hand wash only. It says do not microwave. It is sealed here. So I love this. Okay, so I think this little canister could be used for like so many things, right? So again, bathroom, kitchen, versatile. It's beautiful. You could probably even just keep jewelry or something like that in it, but I think it would be perfect for bathroom or kitchen items. Love it. Love that it seals shut, and I think it looks so pretty. So nice little pretty storage piece, right? Again, versatile. Love. All right, and then we have a little basket. Look how pretty this is. I love little baskets for decor. And this one's a nice size. So you can put flowers, you can put any type of decoration in it. I was looking to see, yeah, on her site if she had any pretty pictures of some of these items. Here's one right here. So here's the basket with all kinds of greenery. Do you not love that? See, let's see here. The canister, here she's showing it here in a bathroom. I love styling inspiration. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, and maybe here's some of the greenery. Love it. Check that out. I love that she gives you items to work with your pieces. Check that out. I'm always looking for pieces like this, right? So you get something really cool, and then you don't, like a basket, and then you don't know what to put in it. So I love that she sent this greenery. This is awesome. Let me see. And it says, this gorgeous greenery is coming in, it comes in both the boxes for July. So regardless of which choice that you ask for, this comes in both boxes. Its droopy branches are perfect to drape off a shelf or set inside a basket to spill out of the edges. How pretty is that? And here I love, okay, so I'm going to hold to show this to you because I think there's another piece in here that I'm going to share with you, and she has all the pieces pulled together in this pretty picture. Here is, I'm going to put this in my little basket because I love this idea. Let's see here. See, look how cute that is, right? And here she has the canister. You can see the basket and even the little vase all together here. There's the vase up here. Okay, there's more. Oh, I love this. This is simply adorable. Do you not love this? Gives that country farmhouse vibe. I love this. I love, love, love it. Okay, let's see what she's calling this. So she said the entire July box is focused around our happy home. So that's what this little picture is all about. And it says the calming colors and simplicity of these pieces really drew me into loving it. It makes a great space filler and brings a little modern feel. Love. So I want to see what she says about this little piece here, if she has. I absolutely adore this. All right, I don't see a specific post about this one, but this little wooden table is just simply adorable. Has the 3 legs. I love the whitewashed of it. Gorgeous. All right, there's still more in here. I think the pieces that she curates just have such a different appeal to them that you really can just add that, I don't know, special touch to your home once you just find the perfect place. All right, let me see if I can open this little bag. I loved the little round wall hanging she sent in the June box. Just absolutely beautiful. I want my husband to hang it in my office because I just feel like it brings such a happy, happy vibe. But there were so many pieces in that. All right, check this out. And I'm going to tell you what she says about it because I absolutely love it. So it's a little hanging rope shelf. How adorable is that? Has the little hook here at the top, the ropes. So, so cute. So different, right? It says the hanging rope shelf is perfect for a small wall paired with the blue bud vase and the reversible sign. So this is what she's talking about, this little reversible sign that she got from Tiered Tray Decor Box. So getting into the July 4th theme here. All right, and here's another example where she has it with the greenery and the vase. How cute is that? You don't even have to put anything in the vase. That just looks beautiful. I'm in love with this. Like, I have to put this up now. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to see if she had another example of it. She shows here where you could use a different hook to hang it. You know, just put that, just hook it right onto a hook like that if you wanted to. Love it. All right, so this is the July collection, and I have to tell you, I am beyond impressed. I love how Kelly put everything together and just adds a special touch. Once you find the perfect place, you're gonna just love looking at it each and every day. I think this is just so different, right? And I love this. Love it. I actually love all of it. Love it. So we have the little tiered tray here. Let me see if I can make sure you guys can see everything really well as I do a wrap up, because I think this is amazing. Love this. So, so fun. I've already said at least 12 times, I absolutely love this little swing shelf. That is amazing. We have the little canister that you can fit so many things in. This gorgeous little tiny vase that'll just set off as an accent piece. And then the Our Happy Home little picture. There we go. And then I have the basket as well as the greenery. So many pieces in my box. Amazing, right? All right, so this was the Elite Box, and there are two options. So remember, there is the Habitation Box and the Elite Box, so 4 to 6 items or 7 to 9 items, your choice, whatever is going to fit into your lifestyle right now. Maybe you have a vacation home you're trying to decorate, or you just moved and you're trying to decorate your home, or maybe you just love decor just like I do. All right, guys, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you love this collection as much as I do. Please give this video a like if you'd like to see more videos like this one. I'll put all the information for Habitation Box down below in case you want to check this amazing subscription out. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Please hit that subscribe before you go. And until next time, bye, everybody.